Meow. Okay, so we're going to speed this up until I get to strengthening up the lines that I really like. So I'm just kind of mapping in Kitty here. Just getting the general shape. And the reason my pencil goes back and forth a lot is because I'm feeling my way out. Just making sure I'm happy with where it's going. That crisscross paw coming over. And this is a little more crucial part here, getting the convincing lines that form Kitty's face. And that ear must look convincing. Minimal erasing, but I do erase to get me back on track. Now we're kind of strengthening up the lines that I'm happy with. Get that little kitty smirk in there. Just feeling my way through it. Oh yes, and don't forget to join our Facebook group. You'll find the link for that in the description below, plus lots of other handy links too. Some cat drawing resources for you, and we'd love to have you in Cat Drawing Art Workshop if you truly are passionate about drawing cats. A little bit of the back end of the body shows through there. And at this stage, if something just doesn't look comfortable, I kind of decide what's wrong and fix it. The spot where the eye goes is pretty crucial. Now that I'm looking back as I do this voiceover, I'm noticing the paw that's crossing over there, the one I just added the toe beans to. It probably a little bit skinny. This is, that's how you'll learn so much with each drawing. Don't ever feel like it has to be perfect. I go for character and soul more than anything. I like that lovely smirk. And notice that I've just put a suggestion of the toe lines in. That quick gesture drawing gives you the suggestion of it, and I just find it stays more loose and free and lively then, rather than fussing over perfect details. I want that eye to stand out. Don't forget to subscribe. We'd love to have you subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss a video, and help build our community. Some whisker dots. Just a suggestion. I don't worry about lining them up too much. I just get that impression of them in there. It's a bit of suggestion of hair. Stripes, tabby stripes. This helps it pop out a little more too. Tabby stripes really help shape the parts of the cat when they go around the contour of the cat's body. I decided that that wasn't quite the right size back there. So there's some more of my minimal erasing again. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you join us again. Hit subscribe, hit notifications, join our Facebook group, become part of our community. We'd love to have you. And we'll see you next time.